Hi students, welcome to the final unit of the course. This unit is revealed early and it goes through August 15th, the final unit. And so there are no more units to be revealed. As you can see, it's final unit. You should have posted your music banner elements that you were assigned. You should be in the middle of designing your poster, your music banner for completion. This is your final project of the term. Taking into consideration rhythm, balance, scale, figure ground, all of the elements, hierarchy, things that you've learned throughout the term to include in this music banner to grab attention on social media site. You were to grab some standard designers banner ad sizes. You can choose. You can look through any one of these things that I've provided to give you just an array of options, some music inspiration for ideas, some inspiring music poster designs that help sometimes. And then I gave you a drop box in the previous unit that you could use to swap elements if they were too large. Generally, I give people, if we're working with the digital media, you do not want to work with elements that are larger than 72 dpi because there's no need to be working in that element. We'll learn more about that in our Photoshop class, but you do not need to work with elements that are very large. So Dropbox really isn't necessary. The forum is just fine. So you must have gathered your music assignment, posted an element, and now you're on to the final design in this final unit. I've given you your submission area. Be sure that everything is submitted no later than Wednesday, August 15th by midnight so that final grades can be posted by Friday, August 17th. So that's plenty of time. I really give you a good week and a half, unit and a half to complete everything that's required. So after you've finished your design of the music poster, the music banner, that final social media music banner should be posted to the forum. You want to show all of your classmates what you've done, but you don't want to post it too early because obviously we kind of want them to remain individual and not really look alike, even though they're going to have very similar elements. Once you post it to the forum, you're going to post your final music banner here so that I can grade it. And then you're also going to submit an anonymous social media banner critique. So you'll go back to that forum, you'll look at all of your classmates' postings, and you'll choose one person to critique. And what it tells you is you want to post it right around August 12th through the 15th. And once you've posted your final music banner design, choose one of your peers' music banners to critique. And so when you critique, think of some questions that are important, such as, is the banner visually engaging? If so, what technique or concept is obvious and used from the course from this term? And then, does the banner capture mood and tone of the musical genre, and how so? Does the banner meet the requirements of the project and that it reflects the use of each element assigned to the group? So you want to make sure that that particular person has used the elements that were required. Okay, so once you kind of answer those questions, you'll submit that here. You will not see yours unless you request the feedback from me. And even then, I don't know if another student will have chosen you as their subject matter to critique. So you can question and send me an email and say, hey, did someone critique my work? Can I find out the feedback? But I will also be providing you direct feedback in your final social media banner post for this final project. Okay, so there is no quiz for the final. However, there are a couple surveys that I'd like for you to take. One is to go through, you will get an email in your JC email account. Please check it. I know a lot of students don't check that email, but if you could check it, that'd be wonderful. You're going to want to open it up and take the course evaluation. And then once you take that course evaluation, take a screen capture of that final page that says completed. It doesn't give me any direct information. It just shows that you've completed it, and then post it here. And then I will provide you 5 extra credit points to the course on top of your final grade. And then if you could take this graphic design program survey, you will also get 5 extra credit points for that, for a total of 10 extra credit points. Literally, probably a good 5 to 7 total minutes that you'll have to use to complete these surveys. And I'd be so appreciative as I continually update the effectiveness of this course. And I hope each and every one of you continue to ask questions. This is one of the first courses to take in the graphic design program, and I'm trying to really continually improve this class. Thanks for your patience in some of the areas, and also I hope you took away a lot from this course and you'll be able to apply it to your final portfolio pieces. Best to you, and I hope to see you in the coming terms ahead. Please contact me if you need anything regarding graphic design program. I'm here to help you with course schedules, all of that. Don't hesitate. I will see you in the next video, hopefully soon. Take care. Good job this term.